How to get Starbucks promo code. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Start by heading over to any of the web browser. Let me move into Safari. Once you're in here, in the source bar, search for Starbucks promo code. Tons of different promo code sites will be visible to you. Head over to any one of it. Let me move into the first one. Wait for a while for it to verify. Well, it will land you on the official page of coupon code or promo codes. You will get to see tons of different offers and discounts. You can choose any of the offers from here which will be available to you. Simply click on it. At the top, you can see the promo code is given to you. Copy this promo code and then move into the application Starbucks and paste the promo code where you are asked to enter. And if the promo code is valid, you will be able to get certain amount of discount and offers, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.